Greetings everyone. What I'm doing here is going through the last bit of testing. I was having problems with sometimes some of the players would win and they didn't have the correct hand, and I found out a little bit more about why that was happening, so I put some effort into it. And as you can see, I've been testing and I'm about to reach the 100 mark of no errors, so let's just hope that works out. Let's see here, we got kings and of course sixes and two pairs with 3 and 4. Okay, that's correct. And then we'll go over the 100 here in a second. I'm playing everything, so 4 and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yep, so that is a straight. Okay, our 100 count I've played, as long as this game here doesn't mess up. We won 100 times without any errors. So 4 and 5, 3 of a kind. Yes, that is correct. Okay, so why do I have this going on? And what I'm doing here, I'm going to go ahead and let you know. So I was having problems, like I said, with sometimes the wrong hand would win. And what happens is, the way I was running my variables, basically they were just living out here. I've commented them all out. They were just kind of out there. And this is not the best way to handle your variables if you're going to be changing them a lot in a rapid state. So I'm following kind of what would happen in like React or something, where I build my own state. And this little object here is for the shared variables throughout the game. And they ultimately just have to hit state dot and then whatever the name is to access it. But this entails the computer doing a little bit more work, and it will actually mutate the variable correctly. And it works better than all this mess that I've commented out. I'll eventually clear this out. I just wanted to have it for the details and for this video. All right, so I did it there. I created a state, but I also created a state within the evaluate hand function. So as you can see, they used to be all over the place the same way. It's kind of a mess. And you can see they were just in different places. And now they're all in one spot. And we call it hand state right here. And so anytime you want to access one of these variables now, same thing goes. There's 150 places where this thing shows up. And as you can see, it would be hand state cards array, hand state cards array, and throughout. Now, I did have a couple human errors where I missed a couple last week, and I came back in and fixed them. I hope that didn't ruin your day if you were playing. But it was only a couple of errors. I would play like 30 times before I even found that error. So this is really hard to test, to find the errors. And I feel like I have handled this with 100 tries, making sure they mutated correctly. The variables seem to be working good. So that is the latest update on JavaScript's Texas Hold'em that I've been running for free. I hope you guys are enjoying it. Let me know if there's any more ideas. Like somebody told me to put a high score, so your high scores there, that makes the game more fun. I started changing the variables so that you can play it aggressively. And obviously down here, I moved things around a little bit. Now I'm just letting you know when the last time is that I updated this, and I'll be putting this video here next. So obviously here's if you want to play in incognito mode on an airplane, but I moved the rules up to the top as well. Not a big deal. I hope you're enjoying your game playing, and I will catch you next time. Thank you for listening.